Many traders think they need a new strategy. They think, if I learn one more strategy, I will finally make money. But listen carefully, if strategy was your real problem, you would be profitable by now. Let me explain this slowly. Most traders lose money, not because they don't know strategies. They lose money because they cannot control their actions. When they lose one trade, they feel angry. When they see price moving fast, they feel fear of missing out. These emotions control their decisions. Let me give you a very simple example. Imagine two traders. Both traders use the same strategy, same entry, same stop loss, same take profit. Trader number 1 follows the rules. Trader number 2 breaks the rules. Now imagine, trader number 2 enters early. He moves the stop loss. He takes revenge trades. The strategy did not change. The trader changed. The market does not care about your feelings. The market does not punish bad strategies. The market punishes bad behavior. Overtrading. Revenge trading. Fear of missing out entries. Closing winning trades too early. Holding losing trades too long. I also made these mistakes. In the beginning, I thought my strategy was bad, so I kept changing strategies, but my results did not change. Then I understood something important. The problem was not the strategy. The problem was how I reacted after losses. Your biggest enemy in trading is not the market. It is not smart money. It is not institutions. Your biggest enemy is your emotions. If you cannot control your emotions, no strategy can save you. Let me give you 3 simple rules. Rule 1. Trade only one setup. Do not trade everything you see. Rule 2. After one loss, slow down. Do not trade to recover money. Rule 3. Be consistent. Do not trade big today and small tomorrow. Remember, this is deep but simple truth. Profitable traders are not special. They are not smarter. They are more disciplined. They control their behavior. They accept losses. They follow rules. If you fix your behavior, your strategy will start working. Trading is simple, but it is not easy. If this lesson helped you, you are on the right path. Now we move to Chapter 2, Diagnosis plus Solution. Traders don't fail because they don't have strategies. Traders fail because they use good strategies in a bad way. Now let me show you exactly how traders fail with strategy, and what to do instead. Step 1. Entering without waiting. Let me explain the first mistake. Most traders do not wait for confirmation. They see price moving fast. They feel excited. They enter too early. The strategy says, wait. But emotions say, enter now. Look at this gold to USD chart. Price is near your setup. But the candle is not closed. Still, you enter. The market pulls back. Now you feel stressed. Step 2. Moving stop loss. The second mistake is moving the stop loss. The stop loss is there to protect you. But when price comes close, fear takes control. You move the stop loss. Now one small loss becomes a big loss. Simple truth. A strategy without a fixed stop loss is not a strategy. Step 3. Revenge trading. After a loss, Many traders want to recover money. They feel pain. They feel anger. They open another trade quickly. This is called revenge trading. You lose one trade. You enter again without a setup. Now you are not trading the strategy. You are trading your emotions. Step 4. Overtrading. Another big mistake is overtrading. The strategy gives maybe 2 good trades per day. But the trader takes 5 or 6 trades. Why? Because he wants more. But more trades does not mean more profit. Step 5. Changing strategy too fast. Many traders change strategy too early. 1 week loss. And they quit. They never give the strategy time to work. Every good strategy needs time. Step 6. No journal, no learning. Most traders do not track their trades. They do not write what went wrong. So they repeat the same mistakes. No journal means no improvement. Now listen carefully. The strategy did not fail. Your execution failed. Solution. How to use a strategy correctly. Rule 1. One strategy, one setup. Choose one strategy. One setup. Trade only that. Rule 2. Pre-plan trade. Before you enter a trade, you must know entry, stop loss, take profit. If you don't know these, do not enter. Rule 3. Accept losses. Losses are part of trading. Even the best strategy loses. Your job is not to avoid losses. Your job is to manage them. Rule 4. Stop after your limit. Set a daily loss limit. When you hit it, stop trading. Protect your mind. Good traders are not emotional. They are prepared. They follow process, not feelings. So remember, my friend, traders don't fail because they don't have strategies. Traders fail because they use good strategies in a bad way. Now you know exactly what to do instead.